Friends, big news is coming out of the Middle East tonight, and it's one that has sent shockwaves across the world. Iran has just announced that it has successfully tested a brand new intercontinental ballistic missile, an ICBM. Now, that's not just another missile, it's the type of weapon designed to travel thousands of kilometers, even across continents, and it's being seen as a direct message to both Israel and the United States. So, let's break this down. According to Iranian officials, this missile is part of one of their most advanced systems, and they're calling it a security test. The launch took place in Semnan, which is a region in Iran often used for rocket and missile trials. People living in Tehran and other nearby areas reported seeing strange lights in the sky just days before the announcement, bright trails and smoke that looked like a rocket test. Those reports turned out to be true. Now, here's the important part. Iran isn't calling this an ordinary missile test. They are specifically labeling it as an ICBM, which means it could, in theory, reach very far, far enough to threaten not just Israel, but even American targets in the wider region or beyond. That's why this news has sparked such an intense reaction globally. Iran's leaders are saying this test shows their growing power and independence. They argue that missiles like this are their right, part of their national defense, and they're not going to stop developing them just because the West is unhappy. Remember, Iran is already under heavy sanctions for its nuclear program, and world powers have been pressuring Tehran to scale back. But instead of backing down, Iran is showing muscle. So what does this mean for Israel? Well, Israel already lives under the constant threat of rockets and missiles from Iran's allies, like Hezbollah in Lebanon and Hamas in Gaza. But an ICBM changes the game. It's a weapon that could potentially carry a much heavier warhead, maybe even a nuclear one if Iran ever decides to go that route. Israel has powerful missile defense systems like Iron Dome, David's Sling, and the Arrow system, but facing an intercontinental missile is a different level of challenge. And for the United States, Washington has long said that Iran must never be allowed to develop nuclear weapons or long-range missiles that can deliver them. This test is seen in many quarters as crossing a red line. US officials haven't yet given full details of their response, but experts believe new sanctions, stronger military cooperation with Israel, and possibly more US military assets moving into the region could be on the table. Now, let's be clear, independent experts are still working to verify just how powerful this missile really is. Iran may claim it's an ICBM, but proving that it can actually fly the full distance and hit targets with accuracy is another matter. Still, even the claim alone is enough to raise tensions, because it signals Iran's intent and confidence. This development also has ripple effects beyond Israel and the US. Think about countries like Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and others in the Gulf who already see Iran as a rival. They may now push harder for stronger security guarantees from Washington, or even speed up their own weapons programs. In other words, this one missile test could ignite a fresh arms race in the Middle East. To sum it up, Iran is sending a bold message: we will not be stopped. For Israel and the US, this is a serious warning shot.